these young astronomers look out at the night sky, they look way out to the Kuiper Belt, the cloud of icy, rocky debris that litters the solar system out beyond the planets.
One of the tools we use for studying the outer solar system is an occultation. It's a big fancy word that basically means something gets in front of something else.
It's a mini recorder.
With support from the National Science Foundation, astronomers Mark Bowie and John Keller operate RECON, the Research and Education Cooperative Occultation Network.
And that information includes the latitude and longitude.
They provide equipment and training to 14 small western communities where night skies are clear and dark. Teachers and students search for sizable chunks of Kuiper Belt rocks and ice as they pass in front of distant stars.
And we time or measure when the starlight disappears and where it reappears. The study of the outer solar system, or any portion of the solar system, tells you a piece of the puzzle about where we came from.
In Carson City, Nevada, students have access to professional equipment at the Davis Observatory.
They're using a camera that looks through the telescope, which is more sensitive than your eye.
Okay, you guys see the star maybe disappearing?
Carson High School teacher Jim Bean is an instructor on the RECON team.
And it's just a good opportunity to introduce kids to what real science can be. Here, we don't know what the answer is going to be, and things don't always run smoothly.
I want to get into the astronomy field. I think this has impacted what I definitely want to do with my career.
Instead of redoing an experiment, it feels like we're doing something that's contributing to science a little more.
The RECON team plans for the network to eventually stretch from Washington State to Arizona. The aim, to bring together students, teachers, and knowledgeable amateur astronomers in each community.
A project that is collecting data and doing analyses on these objects out past Neptune that we actually don't have answers to yet. And so RECON is a chance for these students to actually be part of the process of discovering new things about our solar system.
This is not just a classroom exercise. Bowie analyzes the data gathered by the students to calculate the sizes of the Kuiper Belt objects, which helps determine other characteristics like density and composition.
They're doing authentic science, and so they're part of the process that will be publishable research.
Once you see one of these things, it's like magic.
For these kids, it's a chance not just to learn science, but to be scientists. From there, the sky's the limit. For Science Nation, I'm Miles O'Brien.